This is the last and the fourth part of our 3D modeling tutorial. Okay, in this video we will learn how to draw the 3D model of this window frame and the glass. Okay, this is our 3D model which we are working. This window is 6 feet height, so we have to increase the height. Go to extrude face, select this face, enter, extrude that by 1 feet 6 inch, minus 1 feet 6 inch, so that is 6 feet. And these two windows, it is 4 feet 6 inch now, it should be 3 feet 6 inch, so extrude this by 1 feet up. Okay, done. So all these are of same size. We copy this window, keep it outside here. We can erase this hatch. Okay, now you can use press, pull this by 2 inch, pull this by 1 inch. Okay, pull this by that is glass thickness, we'll say 0.25 inch. This one also 0.25 inch. Copy this here, here, here. Copy this one here. All this will be the glass, so we can put it in this layer. It is for window glass. Okay, all this will be window frames. Okay, so you can move this base point till here. Now you can copy that, copy previous, it is all the window glass will be selected, and this, enter, base point, second point, and this is the second base point. That is done. Now we can rotate, 3D rotate all this, enter. This is the base point, this is the angle, and you can rotate this. Okay. Good. Now we can start placing the windows. Copy. If you see, the 2D lines are also copied here. You can, it was done in wall layer, so you can off that layer. I think it's in 0 layer. Yes. So otherwise it will be copied everywhere. We don't need all those 2D lines. We need only window glass and window frame lines. So copy this, select this, that is this as a base point. Go here and place here. Okay, this is window is height is more. Okay, and then only this one window is in this orientation. Rotate this like this. Sorry, I left one object. Use 2D rotate and rotate this like this. Now copy. Base point is this. These two are the second point. Okay, if you see here, this window has to be smaller. Okay, so we will not copy that here. We'll remove Okay, then if you come this side, here there are two windows. This one, we have to rotate this by 180 degree and copy this from this base point to this and this. And I think one more window is there backside. Rotate this, copy this and place it here. Okay, this window is 6 feet, so we will make this as 6 feet, then we'll place it. We'll rotate this. I'll make a copy of this one because we need one more window, that is for the kitchen window. Erase all this and go to extrude face and select at this corner. When you select at this corner, two face will be selected, this one and this one. Actually we have to extrude only this one, so this we can remove, this face you can remove. Okay, enter 18 inch. So this became 6 feet tall. Now we have to extrude back, extrude this face by minus 1 feet 6 inch. So now this became 6 feet window. Okay, then same way extrude these faces by extrude and make it 6 feet frame. Okay, these two we can move it by 1 foot 6 inch. These two we have to extrude. Okay, that's done. So once one shutter is done, you can copy all this and place here. Now move this from this base point to this. Okay, and we need one single shuttered window which is at this point. So what we'll do is cover this, erase these two shutters, draw a box. You can draw a rectangle from this point to this point, extrude that, say, of this height. Now go to subtract like this. Okay, it's done. Then cover this from this base point to this second point. Sorry, I think I left some objects. Copy this base point to this second point. Okay, so that is done. Now only two kitchen windows are there. You can draw in the same way as you did for the 6 feet window. You can erase this. Okay, now this is 4 feet 6 inch. We have to reduce it by 1 feet 6 inch. So extrude this up, reduce. Okay, now on this glass you have to make it smaller, so extrude back by 1 feet. You can move these two glass by 1 feet up. Okay, now copy this shutter, place here like this, rotate that by 90 degree, copy this base point and place it here. Okay, now rotate this like this. You can move this because we don't need any more windows. You can move this and place it here. That's it. We are left with a ventilator which is 2.5 by 2 feet. It is easy to draw. Draw a rectangle 2 feet 6 inch by 2 feet. Offset it by 2 inch. Okay, press pull by 2 inch. Draw a rectangle at this point. Extrude that by 0.25. So put this in the expected layer, that is frames and glass. Rotate these two. You have to use 3D rotate. Put it in this axis. Now copy this. And this stays 0.2. One here, and one there. Erase this, not required. So we finished. With almost everything. If you want, you can draw. I've shown a ground line plane here and compound wall like this only on two sides, because while rendering in 3ds Max or any other software, I don't want compound wall in front, so I've drawn only compound wall on the back side. So we can draw it same way. Okay, just draw a reference line for the ground. Okay, can extrude this by a little more, say 25 feet. This side I'll keep 50 feet line. Draw a rectangle from this point. We'll draw 5 feet line here. Okay, we'll draw a rectangle from this to this. Extrude that by 5 inch. This will be the ground. Okay, ground. You can extrude slightly more. You can draw the compound wall here. Use a box and draw a compound wall. 6 inch, 4 feet 6 inch height. 6 inch, 4 feet 6 inch height. You can join these two. Okay. Then draw a polyline to draw the top band of it, which is there in the other 3D model. Okay. Can erase this. Offset 2 inch outside. Go to extrude. Extrude that by 2 inch. Put these two into compound wall layer. Okay, that's it. It's almost done. Here two objects are overlapping. So what we have to do is we have to cut this. So copy this object, place it in the same position. Go to subtract from this the last objects. Next one. That's it. What is left? We have left with the railing here. Okay, we'll do it. It's very easy. Okay, now let's draw the railing. You can see 1, 2, 3 railing posts are there and one top rail, and 3, 6 rails in between. Okay, all these objects are obstructing, so you can off that layer. One is floor, and this is wall 1, and this is sunshade. Okay, off those layers. Zoom here, draw a line here, move that 2 inch inside, divide that line by, say, into 4 parts. Okay, draw a circle at this node, dia 2 inch, extrude that by, let's check what is the height of the railing, 2 feet 3 inch and 4 inch. Okay, extrude that by 2 feet 3 inch and almost draw one small circle here, 1 inch dia, and extrude it by 4 inch. You can union these two and put this in railing layer. Now copy this 2 more times here and here. Okay, draw a circle in this axis, say 2 inch, move that here, extrude that circle till here, move that by say 2 feet 3 inch. No, it has to sit on top of this, so from this height to the center of this one is 4 inch, so move that by 4 inch. Okay, then again draw a circle at this plane, say 1 inch, move that and keep it here, extrude that till here. Now you can start placing, say 6 inch here, 6, 1 feet, 6 inch. That's it. Match it, and you can move all this 1 inch above, because I've shown flooring thickness of 1 inch. Now get back all the layers. You can switch on the layers. Okay. Okay, now switch off the 2D layers. Press this, it's not required, reference lines. Okay, that's it. This is the 3D model. It's very easy and very simple. You can use any commands and draw. There are different people, they use different methods. Whichever method you find easy, you can try it. You can use it and draw it. Save it. I'll provide you the 2D plan and the 2D elevation. Please check the link in the description. I hope you understand how to draw the 3D model. If you have any doubts, please comment. I'll answer your comments. That's all. We'll close here. Once when you finish this 3D model, you can export this model to any of the rendering softwares like 3ds Max or any other softwares. You can render it and you can get the output like this. That's all for you in this tutorial. Thank you for watching.